What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our video. So right now we're in the house chilling. The girls are in their popsicles and they just picked up all their toys, you guys. I'm trying to teach them how to clean up after themselves and know when they make a mess that they are the ones to clean it. Even though I'll help, but they also, they gotta learn themselves as well. So hello, beautiful. How are you doing? Is your popsicle good?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yummy.
How you feeling today? You feeling good?
Daddy.
Huh?
Daddy.
You don't feel good?
Yeah.
You do? Yeah.
Daddy.
So yeah.
Daddy.
Hopefully you guys are enjoying y'all's day. Keep pushing forward. Never give up. Never let nobody stop you from doing what you dream of and what you believe in your own self can do. Accomplish everything that you feel like you failed in life. Remake that and accomplish it because you know you can. Don't nobody stop your guide or lead you on to some other stuff that you don't even understand what it is and know what it is. Do what makes you happy. Do what's best for you and do what you feel comfortable in your own body in doing. And yeah, so Nana, come here. Zay is currently downstairs right now. Come here. It's I think 3:46 right now, y'all, and we're just chilling. Today's been a really, really easy going, chill day today, so thank gosh for that. I haven't really had too much cramping today. She's been moving an awful lot as always, which is really, 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 really good. But yeah, I haven't really been cramping today, so that's a good sign. But I'm just so used to these cramps these last few days and weeks that I've been having, and it's just. Yeah, y'all. So I'm just getting closer to time, but I literally have less than 4 or 3 weeks to go because I'm due October 2nd. And yeah, I have 3 weeks to go, y'all. So time is flying by. And this is going to be an unexpected day when I do go in labor. I just cannot wait. Hi, Nani. Hi, what are you doing? You had a good day today?
I ate my popsicle.
You ate your popsicle?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say stay positive?
Yeah.
Say it. Say stay positive.
Stay positive.
Stay humble.
Stay humble.
Stay beautiful.
Stay beautiful.
And stay unique.
Stay unique.
And we love you.
I love you.
Oh, so yeah, y'all.
I
So
love you.
you love them. Say thank y'all for supporting us.
Thank you on plus.
Yay. Anyways, so Raya basically what just happened was Raya tilted her popsicle juice upside down and it spilled on me. So yeah, it's cleaned up now, but the bed is obviously wet. But yeah, so we're just waiting for Zay to get back upstairs. We was gonna go outside today, but we changed the plans and just decided to stay in and just have a good day, and just have a normal, beautiful family day. Why is this fly swarming around me? We're are you serious? Oh my gosh, these flies are irritating, guys. But yes, I hope you guys are enjoying this day. We're gonna come back to you guys when Zay gets up here. No, ma'am. So yeah, we'll catch y'all next one. All right, y'all. Welcome. Hopefully you guys are enjoying y'all's day. It smells like something's burning outside. I don't know, probably somebody has a fire going, a bonfire. Anyways, hope you guys are enjoying y'all's day. It is now 6 o'clock, so I am going to go ahead and finish this video because it's getting late. The girls are playing with the babies, brushing their hair and stuff, and me and Zay just listening to music and just chilling and enjoying their night, you guys. I just felt like today has been a good, beautiful, successful day. We've really been enjoying today and just, going easy, taking it easy by second and doing what we have to do to be a happy family, to be great, to smile, to make each other smile and happy, But yeah, so all the important things because family comes first. of course. So, we hope you guys have an amazing day. Look at that beautiful sun shining bright, you guys. It's a little bit cold outside, but not too bad. Obviously, I don't have a jacket on, which I probably should because, like I said, it's a little chilly, but it's not that bad. But yeah, so staying positive, staying motivated, doing what you have to do, and just keep pushing through, getting through the struggles, getting through the hard times, the rough times, the sad times, and even the times you feel like there's nobody around. You're not alone. Just know that me and Zay will always be here to support you, just like you support us. So never feel like you're alone, because if you have questions, just come in our comments and you guys can drop any questions you want. Motivation, anything appropriate. Yeah. Of course, I know you guys will, but I'm just saying, like, you know. But yeah, I have forgot to get these clothes off this hanger earlier. I knew I was going to do something. My mind's going every which way. But yeah, so hopefully you guys are doing great things, feeling good, looking good, skin glowing, mind flowing, keep that energy going, you guys. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, and by the way, let me just say, we have a problem, okay? Not a bad problem, but a problem. We have like 99% people that's watching us that's not subscribed. We have 3% people watching us that is subscribed. Please, if you are not subscribed, please push that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for all of our amazing content we do every single day. Stay updated with everything we do and everything we put out, you guys. As well as the pregnancy journey, which this is almost over because I have 3 weeks to go, you guys. So, but hey, you can still go along and be along with it. But yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button because it's more people watching that's not subscribed than it is people who is subscribed. So, hit the subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.